What's up guys, it's John from TechSpace and today we are going to unbox another RC car. I love these things. This one is actually from AliExpress. It took about a month and a half to get here, which is really a long time. But the good news is it's brushless and it is something that is very familiar to most of the guys in the RC world. As you guys know, WL Toys have really been, how can I say, extending a name for its brand. So let's unbox this one and see what is inside. Let's get into it. Okay guys, welcome back to the channel. And yeah, my excitement is through the roof again. I love RC cars, I love bashing them. And it is probably one of the most famous ones, the WL Toys 1004 or what? Anyway. They did notify me in the email that it comes boxed in styrofoam, which it clearly does, as you can see. That's impressive stuff. Look at the quality of this. High-speed RC car. Oh, look at this. 144001. Interesting. Let's reveal this bad boy. Oh. Ooh. They even sent me a nice hair from China as well. That's nice. Thoughtful of them. Okay guys, so there is the RC car and that's how it gets shipped. Alright, let's take this out quickly. Put that to the side. And let's see what else is in the box. So, okay guys, you've got your controller. It's a interesting one, 2.4 gigahertz. I believe you need 4 AA batteries for this controller. Oh, there we go. And that indicates to you that it's a version 2, guys. That blue chromy rim that's on the wheel. It's got a nice foamy wheel as well. Doesn't feel like there's too much weight to it, guys, but it's probably going to do the job. So there's modes 1, 2, 3 and 4. You've got a power button there. And you've got a steering and a throttle adjustment. You've got your reverse, you've got your forward. Yeah. Not much to say about this controller. .114 scale brushless 4-wheel drive RC car. The instruction is suitable for a type of model whose number is 144010. So that is the one that I've got. Some funny illustrations. Watch out for kids, watch out for the other people, the basic stuff. Parts list, some tools that you might need, and forward, back, all of your parts. This is not bad. Not bad at all. Okay, again you've got one of those wheel nut, just to make sure your wheel nuts are tight and in place, and then you've got a interesting charger as well, or USB charger. Right guys, not much to say. How long is the cord? Probably half a meter. Alright, let's look at the car. Okay, so I did supposedly buy the version that's got 2 batteries inside. One standard battery that comes with the car, and then a bigger 3000 milliamp hour one. Let's quickly see if that is true. So that's how it gets shipped if you've got the battery option for both. The 3000, I think it's 3000 amp hour. Oh, it falls out. So let's quickly check. Let's confirm what it apparently is. Okay guys, so these are quite small. It's the smallest lipos I've seen. So there is the one that comes standard with the car, 1500 milliamp hour 2S battery. There we go. It's got a Dean's plug. They reckon here it's a high performance battery, high power, high quality. Impressed. And here is the bigger battery, guys. It's the 3600 milliamp hour, and it's got a 30C plus burst rate. Right? That's very interesting, guys. I'm not even going to use this charger. I've got another charger that I'm going to use. Is it safe for me to use my regular LiPo charger with these batteries? Let me know in the comments below, guys. Alright, so there is the bigger battery. So I took the option for the standard battery and the bigger, longer runtime battery. Alright, cool. So there's the two batteries. The body, let's look at it. So there's the underside, the top, and the sides, but it genuinely is small. I'll give you guys a size comparison soon with the other two boys here at the back. Battery base looks as a right size. You've got your brushless motor. The wheels doesn't look too bad out. You've got oil filled shocks. Let's do the shock test. Ooh, not bad. Okay, oil filled, a little bit squeaky. Nice, this thing looks really nicely built. You've got a fan to cool the ESC. Doesn't look too bad, guys. So there is the interior of the buggy. And then you've got your aluminium or metal chassis. I don't know if this servo, I don't think this servo is full size though. We'll give it a rip and obviously see how it goes, but yeah, it's not too bad. So there's the back, there's the side, there's the front, and there's the other side. Right, not too bad. Let's put the body on and see how it looks with the body on. Right, so let's quickly do a size comparison of this car between the others I've got. Guys, a size comparison between the Granite and the WL Toys 144010. This is the size comparison between the Traxxas Max version 2 and the WL Toys. Okay guys, that is the unboxing of my new WL Toys 144010 brushless buggy. This thing has got an amazing reputation, and I am going to put it through its paces to check how it is. It's got some nice knobby, soft feeling tires. What more can I say? I'm really looking forward to bashing it and seeing how it goes. And obviously I'll show you guys the footage as we do that. And then you've got your two batteries as well, guys. Your 3600 milliamp, which I bought extra as a package with the car. You guys probably have seen it on AliExpress. as well as your 1500 milliamp hour battery. These are very small batteries. Maybe I should do a size comparison. Alright guys, and there is a size comparison between the Traxxas 4S LiPo and the WL Toys 3600 milliamp hour battery. Okay, and then obviously the standard battery is even smaller. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, subscribe to the channel, leave a like, leave a comment down below. Let me know if you've got one of these truggies or buggies or whatever you want to call it. Let me know what upgrades is worth getting for this little buggy. I'm looking forward to getting it on the street and bashing it a little bit. Obviously, I'll show you guys on the video how it goes and how it compares to the other RC cars. I've now got 4 RC cars, guys, which I'm really happy about. I love these things. I've got this, I've got the Granite, I've got the Max, and I've got the X Max. So yeah, good fun to be had. If you like videos like this, check out my other videos on my channel, guys. Very similar type of videos. It's fun stuff. Any hobbyist which like electric stuff like RC cars, I've got a Sur-Ron bike, I've got electric scooters. So I love doing videos like that. I love tech, I love toys. Yeah, if you like this type of content, subscribe to my channel, guys. And yeah, let's have some fun. I'm Jandre from TechSpace, and we'll definitely see you in the next one. Cheers.